Hey guys, on today's video, we made a delicious, easy, super duper easy candy cheesecake. Okay, so here it is right now. I made it yesterday because it does have to refrigerate for at least 8 hours. I like to do it overnight. So we will do a taste test, but this was the outcome. And if you want to see how we made this delicious dessert, keep on watching. Okay, to make this very easy cheesecake, candy cheesecake to be specific, this is all that you're going to need. Super simple. You need a 6-ounce pie crust. Again, super easy, so store-bought. 2 tubs of Cool Whip, your favorite candy that can be chopped up. So for this one, we're using Kit Kats. 8 ounces of cream cheese, vanilla extract, and some sugar. That's all you need for this delicious, easy, no-bake candy cheesecake. Okay, first step is you're just going to take that block of cream cheese, put it in your mixer or your hand mixer, whatever you got, and just beat it until it's fluffy. All right, easy peasy. First step done. Okay, next you're going to put half a teaspoon of your vanilla extract. All right, and I put half a cup of sugar. Okay, you can put 1/3, you can put whatever you want because you can taste as you go. That's what I prefer. And then keep mixing. Okay, so I have my Kit Kats all chopped up. I'm going to dump it in now with the mixture that we have in the bowl along with the Cool Whip. Remember to save some of your candy so that you can top it with at the end. Okay, here is our cream cheese cheesecake all done. All right, so you're just going to start filling it up in your pie crust. We're going to cover it with Cool Whip, right, because we had 2 tubs, and then the rest of the Kit Kats on top. All right, so I'm going to fill this up, smooth it out, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, our cheesecake is all done. I took it an extra step. I used my favorite caramel sauce to also, drizzle some caramel over those Kit Kats and whipped cream. And it is looking so delicious. Again, so easy. So it's time to go in the fridge and stay tuned for the taste test. All right, guys, so it's time for taste test. So here it is. We cut the hubby a slice. All right, Kit Kat cheesecake. You can use any candy. So you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
All right, let's get this going. Look at this. That looks delicious.
Dork. All right, you guys. So unfortunately, for some reason, the camera just stopped recording in the middle of taste test and then started again at the end of taste test. So clearly, he has eaten all his cheesecake. All right. And I didn't realize it didn't record everything until I came to upload. Again, too late to show you his first impression because it is long gone and in his belly. So he will just have to describe to you and rate it without the cheesecake, since again, it is in his belly.
Yes.
So was it a success?
It was 2 thumbs up. That's what I did give in the non-existing video.
The lost footage.
Yeah, the lost footage, I should say.
Okay.
And it tasted just like you were eating a Kit Kat bar with some cheesecake in it.
With some cheese.
With some cheesecake in it.
All right, so what do you rate it?
So I give it a solid 10.
All right.
I enjoyed it. It was nice. And it melted in my mouth. And
did it look as good as it tasted?
Of course.
All right. Yes. So it tasted as good as it looked.
Yes, it did.
All right. So it was a success. All right, guys. Sorry for the mishap, but we'll see you next time.
Later.
Bye.